Your parents tell you that what they want most for Christmas is a homemade gift. And that sounds crazy because usually kids don't want a homemade gift. What they'd really like is a new PlayStation because their big brother is going off to university next year and taking his PS4 with him. But it's true. I made this mug for my dad when I was like 5, and all I did was write the word dad on it in shaky little letters with a porcelain pen and baked it in the oven, and he still loves it. It's like a Christmas achievement unlocked. You make this stuff and they actually cry. They're so happy. So here's some ideas, and the best part is they're all sustainable ideas that you can make with things you already probably have around the house. Oh, and if you're my dad, brother, sister, grandfather, or aunt, please stop watching now. The first one is a little pillow. I made this one for my mom last year with scraps from the sewing cupboard, and she puts it on my dad's side of the bed all the time to tease him. So this year, I'm making my dad one that says, Best Buddies, because that's what I called us when I was really little. My tip for all this is to start soon, because December is so full of stuff going on that I actually had to give my mom her pillow for her birthday in February because I didn't get it finished in time. For my sister, I made a little Christmassy cinnamon brown sugar body scrub, and I got the jar from Value Village. For my brother, I made him a stand to hang his gaming headset on, and I made it completely out of scrap wood. For my aunt, I made this little Christmas ornament. For my grandfather, I made these cool pollinator garden seed balls, which are right here, and you plant them in the garden. You just throw them into the garden. And for my mom, she asked me for a rag rug, which we made from some old fabric scraps and some rope. She's helping me film this, so she knows what I'm doing. But that's okay, because she already knew, because she was helping me. Like last year, I'm still not done, obviously. Other things you could do would be a keychain with special letters that spell out a special phrase, framed art, or a family portrait. This will never go wrong. Just go to the thrift store, get an old frame, and put anything in it. They'll keep it forever, trust me. A stick picture frame for the cottage, an old painted wine bottle that they could use to water plants, tile coasters, a paper mache bowl for keys, fridge magnets, lanterns, a plant with a decorated pot maybe. If you think none of these will work, well, you can't go wrong with cookies or homemade candy cane. Click the link below to see instructions on how I made these things, and happy holidays!